Good morning, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Batavia, New York this morning installing Silestone Helix. It's around 10:06 a.m. We just rolled into the driveway. I'm going to introduce you to our installers and see how long this job's going to take us today. Thank you. We're here with our installers, Matthew and Shay. Okay, this is the house we're installing at. We have a small L-shaped kitchen this morning. We're gonna have a seam in this corner. We need to add some support on top of this cabinet. We need to put support on the wall. We have a sink here. We're gonna have to remove this temporary support to install this sink.
Remove these two temporary supports for the sink so that we'll be able to glue the sink up. I'll show you guys how we do that. Take these pliers here.
Okay, we're adding some support on top of this cabinet because the face frame sticks up higher than what the top of the cabinet is. We're going to take and put some screws down from the top, back the screws out. We've added a shipping blanket to the customer's doorway so we don't scratch their woodwork with our ramp. Got our aluminum folding ramp into position. We're going to take our first piece out of the van here with our telescopic crane. We're bringing in our first piece up the ramp here. We have a tight doorway to come through, but this is about as hard as it gets right here. Rotating our piece into position. We use our remote control cart to adjust the piece for height. We're going to slide it right over. Quick connect clamps on here. Okay, here we are. We're connecting up our vacuum grabbers onto our piece. The guys are going to secure the countertop to our no-lift cart. And here come the guys with this final piece here into the room. Okay, here we are using the remote control cart to set our height. The guys are sliding this piece into place. This job here, we had a very tight tolerance to meet so this door here could open, so we had to adjust this overhang. This is something a templater really needs to watch for to make sure you're all covered. Matthew is preparing the support for the seam. I have to do a little bit of shimming to get this absolutely perfect before we can apply our epoxy and our seam clamps. Okay, here we have Matthew applying our vacuum clamps to do this seam. Okay, here we go. We have the hole there. We've got all of our debris in a nice little paper towel.
I'm going to squirt this glue, roughly 3 pumps, with the gun facing vertically to get any air out of the tube.
Okay, here we have Matthew doing the caulking on the bottom side of the countertop. We have Shay over here applying the glue to glue our sink into place. Hi, I'm Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Batavia, New York. This morning we're just finishing up our install. Here we are at 12:08. You can see on our stove here. So we're right around our 2-hour mark for this installation. Here with our customer, Kathy. Kathy, what do you think of our install here today?
It's been great. It turned out beautiful. It's exactly as I expected. It was very quick, very seamless. I hardly knew they were even here to do the install.
What did you think about your selection process at our place for picking your stone?
I went once to see Suzanne and she took me out. We did a walkthrough. I picked it right away, and then the day of the template I came out and took a final look at it, and it was exactly what I wanted.
Okay. How long did it take us from time we templated to install?
3 days.
Is that pretty fast compared to the rest of the industry?
The big box stores were quoting me 6 to 8 weeks, so extremely fast comparatively.
Okay. I know you have a little bit of experience in the past in the countertop industry. What do you think of our overall service compared to your past experiences?
Night and day difference. You know, the family-owned local company outbeat the big box in everything that I know from this industry by far. I would highly recommend this service. Everyone was courteous. The templating was amazingly accurate and went very smoothly, and the finished product is just absolutely gorgeous.
Okay. A big portion of these installers' pay comes from them getting a Google review. Would you be willing to give us a Google review?
Absolutely. 5 stars plus, whatever I can give it is what it's going to get.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
No problem.
Thank you
Thanks,
very
Andy.
much for your business.